Every year, National Sports Day is celebrated in India on 29th August. But today, we will be pre-conducting it as we are having Onam celebration and holidays upcoming. Sports Day is also dedicated to national sports heroes and champions.
Sports Day teaches discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, teamwork and overcoming adversity. It is a crucial part of a student's growth and development. We should always aim to improve our physical abilities as it helps them learn a sense of good sportsmanship and how to compete in different situations in life.
Sports Day is a very inspiring and happy day that every student looks forward to. Every student can participate in different types of sporting events. I enjoy Sports Day and look forward to it every year.
Sports Day should be celebrated in every school and teachers should encourage students to participate in different sport activities as it will teach them various aspects of life and give them a change form of academies. Thank you and have a nice day.